To be another bad day on Wall Street as the markets react to President Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs. And China, one of our biggest trading partners, is retaliating. Fox's Rebecca Castor has the latest from Washington.
For the second day in a row, stocks plummet at the opening bell. The Dow Jones, S&P 500, and NASDAQ once again dropping between 2 and 4% during early trading. But President Trump says he's not surprised.
I mean, it's to be expected where this is a patient that was very sick. We really inherited a terrible economy, as you know, with a lot of problems.
Investors are pulling back big time after Trump announced his massive tariff plan on Wednesday. He slapped a 10% baseline tax on all foreign goods, with higher rates for countries with the largest trade deficits.
I'm really quite fearful that things are coming apart. Well, time shall tell, of course, but I think it's a fully fledged bear market.
It's the end of the world as we know it, and I feel fine because this is 2 days. We're talking about 2 days of sell-off, not erasing 2 years of gains.
The sell-off is sweeping the globe, with markets plunging across Europe and Asia.
Donald Trump has single-handedly created a financial forest fire.
Their economies are not crashing. Their markets are reacting to a dramatic change in the global order in terms of trade. Once they know what the rules are, they will adjust to those rules.
China is getting ready to hit back, though, announcing it will impose a 34% tariff on all U.S. goods starting April 10th. Trump reacting to that news this morning, posting, "China played it wrong. They panicked, the one thing they cannot afford to do." The latest jobs report is a silver lining for the Trump White House, though. March beat expectations, adding 228,000 jobs. In Washington, Rebecca Castor, Fox 5 News.
Rebecca, thank you. Inflation has changed the way many Americans shop in store, but the same can't be said for those making purchases online. Economists say while inflation remains high, major online retailers like Amazon are offering packaged deals to lower costs for multiple items. While these trends look promising, experts believe time will only tell if they'll hold for the online market.
They have pricing power, and so they've been able to maintain really low prices throughout a lot of this inflationary pressure. The prices have gone up there as well, but they're often perceived to be, nearly as good or as good of quality as the goods that you can buy in brick and mortar retailers.
It's not clear whether these trends will hold or if the inflation crisis will start to erode customer satisfaction with online shopping, something to keep an eye out for. Well, looking ahead